In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can use the brand new live translation feature for messages and other apps here on your iPhone running iOS 26 or future iOS versions. This is by far one of Apple's biggest updates. Let's go ahead and jump straight into this. But before we do, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. But first things first, make sure your iPhone is updated. To do this, go into settings and then scroll down to general and then select software update and make sure you're on at least an iOS version greater than iOS 26. This iPhone is only going to work on iPhone 15 Pro or newer since those are devices with Apple Intelligence built in. If you don't have one of those models, you unfortunately aren't going to see this option. But once you do have it updated, go ahead and back out of the section to the main settings option and scroll down and you're going to see an option for Apple Intelligence and Siri. Go ahead and make sure Apple Intelligence is turned on up at the very top. That is required for live translation to work. Now from here, what you're going to want to do is actually turn it on inside of, for example, one of your apps. In this case, I'm going to use the Messages app. So let's go ahead and select this and we'll choose one of these text messages. What you're going to want to go ahead and do is actually tap on their name up at the very top. And you're going to see an option within here to automatically translate. Go ahead and tick that on and it's going to pop up with an option that looks like this. Choose whatever language you want it to translate from, and when you do select a language for the first time, your iPhone's going to download it. So give it a moment. After you have it enabled and downloaded, when someone texts you in another language, it's going to automatically translate their message into your language. You can also reply in your own language, and the phone's going to translate it for them. You'll also see a translation icon appear to confirm that the feature is active. But yeah, overall, it really is as simple as that. It's pretty cool, and sometimes it does take a few seconds for that translation file to finish downloading, but once it's set up, you'll be good to go. If you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.